There's a chipmunk over there. Hey everybody, today we are taking down this dead tree. You can see all the way at the top. It's a dead oak. It actually has some fungus and things growing on it, so it's no good. It'll be good firewood, but it's already dropping branches, and when we come out here, we don't want anything hitting us on our head. So today, we're taking that down. So I'm not sure how well you can pick up the lean that it has, but it's leaning pretty hard down that way toward the trail and the neighbor's property. So I don't want to drop it on their property just because if I don't get a chance to cut it up quickly, it'll just be in their way. So I'm going to try to pull it uphill and try to see if I can hit either in this area or over here in that area. So that means we'll have to have either a come along or the four-wheeler to go somewhere from the top all the way up there, pulling it that way, probably around that tree, and then having a come along attached down here so I'm out of the way. So let's get to it. So my hope is to get right in that crotch right there. Yep, I heard it when I said it. Right, let's see if I can do this one shot. Got it. First shot. Can you believe that? First shot. What are the chances? I'll tell you what the chances are. 1 in 7. That wasn't my first shot. It's actually my 7th. So here's some footage of all the fails. Nope. There's number 2. Oh. Try number 3. Ah. Wrong tree. All right, tree 4. Oh, come on. Oh, that was it. That was the one. It got wrapped up on this branch down here. Word of the wise, clear out the work area before you do this. We're in too deep now. Number 6. Are you kidding me? Oh. So now that I have the first line starting, it's probably right in here. You can't really see it. I'm going to tie my big tree rope to that, pull it around, tie a knot, and get set up for the come along. Right. Here we go. That'd be something if I missed that. There you go. Now I'll just pull that up. So I'm just untying the throw rope, tying a quick knot around this. So that way when it's up there, it tightens up. We're actually going to come over here. Make sure it's angled right. Now we're going to set the come along to this tree. And this end I want to create a knot. Here we go. All right, here we go. Step one is gas, in case anyone needed to know. So, when you're filling up the chainsaw, make sure you drop not only the gas cap, but also the oil cap directly in the dirt. Helps it run better. So I don't know if you saw, but right in the middle of me cranking this, right here, it failed. So time to employ the four-wheeler. It's not a lot. Just like we planned it, right? Goodness. Look at that ugliness. I used every bit of the winch for that. With a little meat on the bone here, I probably could have went a little deeper with the cut here. Although it's not too bad the whole way through. Got a great pull out here. Yep, heard that when I said it too. Almost right where I said I wanted it. 100% luck, nothing to do with skill. Boy, that was a tough one. It didn't help that the equipment broke halfway through. All right, well, that might be it for this one. I don't know. Might be a short video, but my heart's racing like it was a marathon. In case this is the end of this one, thanks for checking out the video. Don't do what I did. I just can't afford an arborist, so we're out here backwoodsing it. Again, thanks. Check out the next one. It might be cut this one up. I don't know.